We go over to creating the Twitter poster. So we start with our get environment. Here we take our API keys out of the .env file. Install the Trivi, and this is the library we also would need additionally. Please don't wonder that I decide to just copy and paste the next 3 lines, which are also referring to the needed keys, which when we want to post on Twitter, we would need to get. For this, you can go with your own Twitter profile onto developers.x.com, and there you can create a new application when you go onto the developers portal. Here we already can see my project as well as the app I created inside of the project. And we also can generate some API secrets or API keys. This I already done, and I already referencing to the keys via using the getenv method. Yes, and with this set, I would like to go over to the next function. With this function, we read the information out of the response JSON. No, not rail exception. No, from exception. Readable file. As JSON file. With this, we are reading out the answer from the JSON object, read this into response, and then we clean response with trip. Then we're checking if our message is longer than 280 signs, split our message separate lines, and save them message lines. Then we iterate through this. Our line is dash dash dash. We jump over this line, and in case of the length of the line is longer than max length, in this case 280 signs, we would have to split this line, and this we would do in case there is a space. And then we do the same, we will adjust it with the lines with the words. We check if the length of the post content added with the next word as well as the space is longer or bigger than the max length. And if this is the case, we would add our word on post content, but we would add it on post list. We would add the word onto post list, but the post content and the word would go into post content once again, and we would once more start to create post content until it reaches the 280 signs, and then we will add it into post list once again. Post content word content word is something not like it should be. Oh, I just forgot something. I see. Post content. Yeah. Yeah. Post content. Post list depend. Right. Here. 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 So now it's right again. Content. Then next length. If our message length is 1, then we just create a simple tweet. If it's longer than 1 message, if this is known, create print. With this we save the ID for being able to post in a thread. Secret, key secret, access token secret, access token secret. So with this, we go and send it to Twitter by providing the API object which is a client object with our API keys and our secrets. as well as the token list. The send to Twitter we already written here, and yeah, with this done, we now just need some cosmetical parts like the exceptions. Found error. C. So we now should be able to run the Twitter poster in case we don't have any unnecessary typos in it, which I don't know yet. For sure we have some typos. 21. Oh yeah, JSON load with the open JSON load JSON file. Not as local variable tweet, where it's not associated with a value. I think I found the typo. In this case, it shouldn't be a dot, but a equal sign. We are now able to post the report, which we just created onto our Twitter. Okay, you can see the first tweets which are appearing.